Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Afro Gardener. I took a little bit of a break from making videos, but I'm back because spring is on the way. I'm so excited, and I want to show you guys 3 ways that you can sustainably start seeds this spring. Let's get into it.
So I dream of you, and can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you, and can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you, and can I help it if I dream of you if I dream.
Now, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways to sustainably start seeds this spring for little to like no money, okay? Because we like stuff that's free, right? So, number 1 on the list is toilet paper rolls. You're going to throw them away anyway. And they are almost the same size as your seed starting cells. If you have like some old trays from last season, or you have some random plastic that you don't use, or just some big water bottles or something like that, you could throw these in there. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a minute. The materials you're going to need for this are the toilet paper roll, of course, some scissors, and a container of water. Number two on the ways that you can sustainably start seeds is jugs, okay? So now this particular way, I think it can really just depend on what you have on hand. These particular jugs, if you can tell how big it is, these were like those big water jugs that you can find at like the dollar store or like the Dollar Tree. I found a lady on Facebook Marketplace that had saved like 2 trash bags full of these water jugs. And so because I'm me, I went and I got them because I really felt like there was a lot I could do with them. Now, if you think about it, and in comparison, if you look at this and you look at a regular seed starting tray, like say for example, a 72 count seed starting tray, one of these, it will come with these, but it would be like a whole piece together, 72. That will cost you about $5, maybe $5 to $7, depending on where you go. Now this and this is roughly the same size, both ways, lengthwise and widthwise. Now, using something like this, sorry, somebody was calling me. Using something like this, what you could do is you could take a piece of cardboard. Let me see what I got. You could take a piece of cardboard and put it in the middle and divide it, or make little sections like this. And you could put, if you did 3 sections, that's 4, 8, 12. That's 12 places that you could start seeds, okay? So if you had a bunch of these, you could start, if you have a small garden or even a bigger garden, you could start a bunch of seeds in this. Now, all you would have to do is, of course, just like cut one side off. That's all I did, is I cut off one side and I put some holes in the bottom. That's it. That's literally it. This one's dirty because I did use it, because I've been actually using them to start microgreens is what I have been doing in these. So this is definitely an option. You could do it with this kind of jug. You could cut it in half. You can go this way, cut it in half like this, or not in half, but like cut some of it about here, put some cardboard in there to divide it up, and you can use them that way too. But lengthwise, I believe, is the best way because you're going to get more space and you'll be able to use it more. But that's definitely an option for you if you have something like this or something similar. Milk, not milk cartons, but if you have a milk jug, or if you have like a juice bottle, you could definitely do this. Number 3, you can recycle your stuff from last year. Rinse out those seed starting cells, rinse them out, clean them out. If you have some like this one that are damaged, you could really just cut that off. Like, you just cut that one out and not use it. That's what I do. I just cut it. And I just cut it in a way where it's not going to affect the other cell. I just cut it off and I don't need it. But you can use the rest of it. Let me show you. Hold on just a second. And you still have all the rest that you could use. This one was damaged, and so I wouldn't really want to put any in there because all the dirt would come out. Cut that bad boy off and use it. Now, I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did with a lot of my seed cells kits, but I guess I threw them away. But I'm going to be reusing them. And that's also something that you could do. Now, I have a bonus way that I would like to show you guys as well. I've never done this, but I saw it on YouTube and I'm super excited to try it because I'm just like, why haven't I tried to do this? Why? Where have I been? But I saw it now, so I'm going to be starting it and I'm going to show you guys what it is. I'm just going to I'm going to do the bigger one first. I'm just going to take this and set this to the side. And I'm going to put this down, leaving about this much space. Like, if you see this line, I'm going to be leaving about that much space. So I'm going to put this candle down, and I'm just going to roll it up on the paper, just like this. Now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go right here where this little tab is. I'm going to fold this part in first. And then I'm just going to fold everything else in around it like this. Then I'm going to take this turn. And I'm going to pull this off. And you have a paper pot. Now, this is what it looks like on the inside. And we're not going to leave it like that. So I'm just going to take my fist and I'm going to press down onto the bottom. And as you see, that's what it's going to do. So it's going to mold all the paper down, okay? And that's not going to come apart. Whenever you put the soil in, when you put your wet seeds starting mix in, it's going to compact down and push everything down. So these are not going to come apart. You see that? Here are some that I already done. They're about a week old. I have some sensitive plant seeds in these, also known as the touch me not, and so I've been starting those, and these have not gave me any issues, and they're about a week old. I do need to water them, but I just checked the bottoms of them, and they're all still like this. They're all still fully intact. So this is definitely an option for you if you wanted to start seeds and you're looking for a less cost-effective way, or you just don't want to spend a lot of money like me. And I would definitely, I think for my actual seeds, I'm going to be going with this size pot. I'm not going to be doing large ones like this. I'm just going to be doing small pots this way. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you were able to learn something. I hope it helped you in some way. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I love you guys. I love you guys. Be blessed.